If you're a DIY enthusiast, you need these hacks in your toolbox. These tips will make your project smoother and more efficient. Get ready to level up your life in just 60 seconds. These quick hacks will save you time and effort. First up, binder clips aren't just for paper. They can be used in so many creative ways. Clip them to your fridge shelves to hold bottles in place. This will keep your fridge organized and prevent spills. Say hello to more space and goodbye to rolling bottles. Your fridge will look neat and tidy. Got dull scissors? Don't worry, we've got a quick fix for you. Just cut through some aluminum foil. It's a simple trick that works wonders. That's right, instant sharpness. Your scissors will be as good as new. Microwave looking grimy? Cleaning it doesn't have to be a chore. Squeeze lemon juice into a bowl of water, nuke it for 3-5 minutes and wipe away. The steam will loosen the grime. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Your microwave will be sparkling clean in no time. Prevent laptop overheating by placing a cardboard egg carton underneath. It's a great way to keep it cool. Simple and effective. Your laptop will stay cool and run smoothly. Never lose your page again with this easy hack. Attach a paper clip with a string to your book. DIY bookmark sorted. You'll always know where you left off. And for a cool phone in the car, cover it with a white cloth. This will protect it from overheating. No more overheating. Your phone will stay cool even on hot days. There you have it, DIY enthusiasts. These hacks are sure to make your life easier. Simple, clever, and totally doable. Try them out and see the difference. Hit that like button if you found these hacks useful. We love sharing tips with you. Catch you in the next one. Stay tuned for more awesome hacks and tips.